it really happened that fast. It just all went up in flames.
Welcome to Denver 7 News on this Saturday morning. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm Veronica Acosta. We're getting you right over to some breaking news this morning. Crews still on scene of what was that 5-alarm fire. This was at an apartment complex under construction. This video from Air Tracker 7, it shows the massive response to that scene. This was near South Leetsdale Drive. More than 100 firefighters were there last night. This is on the border between Denver and Glendale. Viewers also sharing video with us showing part of that building collapsing. You can see it right behind me in this video. And Denver 7's Lauren Lennon live for us near the scene with what we know so far and what's left of that complex this morning. Lauren.
Yeah, Veronica, this morning there is still a heavy presence here. You can see near the side of the apartment complex fire that erupted last night. You can see some roads still closed. This is Holly Street here. Several crews still on scene. I believe we're seeing Denver police on screen, and we have seen Denver fire as well. But you can see that smoke still left behind this morning, and crews still doing what they can to take care of this fire and this incident. Now, again, look at this massive response. Air Tracker 7, they captured yesterday evening. Like you mentioned, Veronica, more than 100 firefighters from various agencies across the Denver metro working to fight these flames. The fire starting at an apartment complex under construction along South Leetsdale near Glendale. Officials say since the building was under construction, there was no drywall to stop the fire. Now, we know evacuation orders were sent out to neighbors in Denver 7. We spoke with some last night as they stood by in disbelief.
Suddenly it went from like just a glow to where I was seeing like maybe 150 foot, because the tree that I was looking at perspective, there was at least 100 feet worth of fire over the top of that tree.
Firefighters were pounding on our doors to get out. So we basically just grabbed a couple things. I have my dog in the car, and it's really, really scary.
Yeah, and Denver Fire saying this is a huge fire for the city, and they haven't seen anything that has prompted such a large response before. And we do know one firefighter was taken to the hospital with injuries after responding to the fire. I did reach out to Denver Fire to see if there are any updates on their condition. Still waiting to hear back. And I've also asked about the investigation into how this fire started. When we hear any information, we'll be sure to bring those details both on air and online at denver7.com. Live in Denver, Lauren Lennon, Denver 7.
Yeah.